Alright, here we have an Otis elevator. Not sure if this is a mod or an original install. It's got the padding on it. This is Otis. So let's go to 4. Now watch this. I'm not going to press any floor buttons, but we're going to go back down to LL. And also, this was a mod. I can see the plate up there where an indicator used to be. And there's the cabinet. There's a mysterious button inside. I'm not sure what that's for. I wonder what this was originally, though. That's still a nice elevator, though. So, that's it.